Your OEE report says you're running at 90% efficiency. But your profit margin tells a different story. Here are 3 warning signs your OEE metrics are silently draining cash. As a manufacturing CIO, you depend on OEE to guide critical decisions. But many plants suffer from data delays where yesterday's numbers arrive tomorrow, cross-machine inconsistencies that hide the real downtime, fragmented systems that never speak the same language. These silent gaps lead to missed maintenance, surprise stockouts, and lost production hours, costing hundreds of thousands every quarter. Imagine walking into a board meeting only to realize the report you approved was already outdated. Production is stalled. Orders are late. And now you're explaining why your healthy OEE didn't prevent a costly shutdown. It's frustrating, stressful, and completely avoidable. Real-time OEE analytics changes everything. By connecting IoT sensors, ERP data, and predictive dashboards, you see issues as they happen, not days later. Maintenance is scheduled before failures occur. Your team makes decisions on live data, not guesswork. At Adend Analytics, we build Power BI manufacturing dashboards that turn messy data into a single, trusted view. Our clients cut downtime by up to 40% and eliminate reporting delays within weeks. If you're ready to turn OEE into a profit engine, schedule a strategy session today. The sooner you act, the faster you stop the cash drain. To know more, connect with us or click the link in the description.